Have you ever wondered about a place where evolution itself seems to be on full display? A place that inspired one of the most revolutionary scientific theories? Welcome to the Galapagos Islands. Located nearly 600 miles off the western coast of South America, the Galapagos Islands are an archipelago of volcanic islands straddling the equator in the Pacific Ocean. Formed by the meeting of three tectonic plates, each island is the peak of a volcanic mountain, pushing its way from the ocean floor. These islands are a testament to the raw power and creative force of our planet. Their remote location and volcanic origin have played a significant role in shaping the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos. Being so far from mainland, the islands remained largely untouched by human influence for millions of years. This isolation has allowed life to evolve in its own unique way, leading to the development of species that exist nowhere else on Earth. The Galapagos are home to an array of unique species from giant tortoises and marine iguanas to flightless cormorants and blue-footed boobies. These creatures evolved over time to adapt to the harsh and varied environments of the islands, providing a living example of natural selection at work. It was this remarkable diversity that captivated a young naturalist named Charles Darwin when he visited the islands in the mid-19th century. The observations he made during his voyage on the HMS Beagle laid the groundwork for his groundbreaking theory of evolution by natural selection, forever changing our understanding of life on Earth. The Galapagos Islands are not just a group of idyllic tropical islands, they're a living laboratory, a window into our planet's history and a testament to the power of nature to adapt and evolve. They are a place where the story of life unfolds in the most unexpected ways, offering insights into our own existence and the world we inhabit. So what makes the Galapagos Islands a living museum and showcase of evolution? Let's delve into the secrets of its biodiversity. Imagine a world where giant tortoises roam freely, marine iguanas swim in the sea, and where birds have forgotten their fear of humans. Welcome to the Galapagos Islands, a place where evolution runs wild and the inhabitants are as unique as the landscape itself. The Galapagos are home to some of the most unique creatures on the planet. Here you'll find the iconic Galapagos giant tortoise, the largest living species of tortoise in the world. These lumbering giants can live well beyond a century, some reaching the ripe old age of 200 years. Their massive shells provide a sturdy home, while their slow metabolism helps them survive the island's harsh conditions. Then, there are the marine iguanas, the only lizards in the world that swim in the sea. They've adapted to the harsh coastal environment, evolving to feed on algae and seaweed. With their flattened tails and sharp claws, they navigate the rocky shores and crashing waves with surprising grace. Next, meet the flightless cormorants. These birds with their stunted wings may not be able to fly, but they are remarkable swimmers. They have evolved to hunt underwater, their dense bones allowing them to dive deep in search for food. The Galapagos also host the only penguins found north of the equator. These Galapagos penguins have adapted to the tropical climate, their bodies smaller than their Antarctic cousins, which helps them to stay cool. Lastly, the islands are filled with fearless birds. From the blue-footed boobies with their striking azure feet to the Galapagos finches, famously known as Darwin's finches, these birds have no fear of humans, a result of having no natural predators. Each of these species has adapted in extraordinary ways to survive in the unique environments of the Galapagos. They've evolved to eat what's available, to withstand the unpredictable climate, and to fill ecological niches found nowhere else in the world. These unique creatures tell a fascinating tale of adaptation and survival, but they are not the only wonders of the Galapagos. Beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean surrounding the Galapagos, a different world full of colorful and rare marine life thrives. The Galapagos is home to an astounding array of marine species, some of which are found nowhere else in the world. This marine haven is a symphony of vibrant colors and forms, a subaquatic spectacle that never fails to captivate those lucky enough to witness it. Let's dive into the underwater realm of the Galapagos and meet some of its unique inhabitants. Among the diverse species of sharks that patrol these waters, the scalloped hammerhead shark is perhaps the most iconic. These intriguing creatures can often be seen swimming in large schools, a sight that is as mesmerizing as it is rare. Then, there are the majestic rays, including the spotted eagle ray with its distinctive manta-like appearance, and the golden rays that seem to glow under the sun's rays. And let's not forget about the sea turtles. These ancient mariners with their graceful movements and gentle demeanor are truly a sight to behold. The Galapagos is not just about its charismatic megafauna, it also boasts a richness of coral reefs. From the delicate branching corals to the vibrant sea fans and sponges, these reefs are teeming with life and color. But what makes the Galapagos' marine biodiversity so unique? The answer lies in the cold, nutrient-rich waters of the Humboldt Current. This powerful oceanic current brings a bounty of nutrients to the Galapagos, fueling the growth of plankton, the base of the marine food chain. This in turn supports a diverse and abundant marine life. The marine life of the Galapagos is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. However, this biodiversity is under threat. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that the preservation of these marine marvels is not just about safeguarding a unique ecosystem, but also about preserving a world that is a source of wonder and inspiration for us all. Despite its isolation, the Galapagos is not immune to the impacts of human activity and climate change. The islands, a haven of unique biodiversity, face growing threats that put this natural wonder at risk. Firstly, invasive species pose a significant danger. Animals and plants not native to the Galapagos have been introduced either intentionally or accidentally. And these new arrivals often outcompete local species for resources. They disrupt the delicate ecosystem balance that has evolved over millions of years. Secondly, the pull of the Galapagos' unique wildlife attracts thousands of tourists each year. Though tourism brings in much-needed revenue, the sheer volume of visitors can result in habitat destruction and pollution, threatening the survival of the local species. Thirdly, climate change is a looming specter. Rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns can alter habitats, while ocean acidification threatens the marine life that is so integral to the island's ecosystem. Lastly, overfishing is a severe problem. The rich waters surrounding the Galapagos are a tempting target for both local and international fishing fleets. Overfishing depletes fish stocks, disrupting the food chain and affecting the entire marine ecosystem. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are unfolding to preserve this unique biodiversity. The Galapagos National Park, comprising 97% of the island's land area, plays a crucial role in these efforts. It restricts human activity to protect endemic species and their habitats. Additionally, the Charles Darwin Research Station carries out vital research and conservation work. They run breeding programs for endangered species, monitor the health of the ecosystems, and provide education on the importance of conservation. The fight to preserve the Galapagos is a collective one. Local communities, scientists, conservationists, and governments all play a role. It's a fight driven by understanding, respect, and a shared commitment to safeguarding this unique corner of our planet. The Galapagos Islands, a unique treasure of our planet, serve as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of nature and our responsibility to preserve it. The Galapagos Islands are more than just a group of islands. They are a living testament to the power of nature and evolution. Looking back, we've journeyed through the enigma of these remarkable islands, unveiling their unique biodiversity. From the land-dwelling giants, the Galapagos tortoises, to the flightless cormorants and the marine iguanas, each species has a tale of adaptation and survival. The marine marvels, too, are nothing short of extraordinary. Beneath the surface of the azure waters, a world thrives with an array of vibrant corals, sleek sharks, and playful sea lions. But the Galapagos are not just an isolated paradise of biodiversity. They are a mirror, reflecting the delicate balance between nature and human intervention. The threats they face, from invasive species to climate change, are a stark reminder of the fragility of our natural world. Yet, it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are in full swing, fighting to preserve this unique ecosystem for future generations. The legacy of the Galapagos extends far beyond their geographical boundaries. They continue to inspire and intrigue scientists, nature enthusiasts, and curious minds around the globe. The islands have become a natural laboratory, providing invaluable insights into the process of evolution and the interconnectedness of life. More than 180 years since Darwin set foot on these islands, his theories continue to be shaped and reshaped by the ongoing studies here. The Galapagos, with their unique biodiversity, have become a beacon for understanding the nature of life on Earth. The legacy of the Galapagos is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the face of change. It's a story of evolution in action, of survival against the odds, and of nature's incredible ability to thrive in the most unlikely of circumstances. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the Galapagos, we are reminded of the words of Charles Darwin. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, it is the one most adaptable to change. The Galapagos Islands, a crucible of evolution, are a testament to this truth.